Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Agent Weather Forecast. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be doing my first Christmas outlook. I saw David Schlotthauer's video and I realized I haven't done one yet, and it's literally a week away, or less than a week away. So I did start my channel late in November, so it's on me too. But I did realize I can just do it right now really quick for you guys. Hopefully it's not too late. But yeah, here are the temperature anomalies. This is for the next 46 days. If you are any type of yellow to all this big dark brown, you are actually above average temperatures. If you are in the light blue to green, you're below average. So look here and you can see if you're below or above. I just want to circle this right here, guys, because parts of Canada are actually 10 degrees above average. That's crazy, guys. So yeah, much of the country except for the southern parts of Texas and Louisiana are below average, but most of the country is actually above. But let's actually go to the next. This tomorrow, you can see the below average temperature starts to go more into Texas, starts to go into Florida by December 21st. And guys, I actually want to say this is Weather Models. I love this website. I'm so glad David Schlotthauer recommended it to me. It's not free, but it's worth it. I do $13 a month. So check it out. You can get a lot of models. You can see 23rd. It can be 10 degrees above average in parts of North Dakota. So you got to keep a close eye on that because that can be very warm, record warmth. Up to 9 degrees, 8 degrees, 7 degrees above average in that little circle. The Midwest, about a degree below average there. So yeah, not much of the country will be above average. December will be very warm compared to last year. Yeah, December will be very warm, but January can be very cold. This is Christmas Eve. This is Christmas Eve right here. So you can see, instead of being 10 degrees above average, it can be actually up to 8 degrees. So it cools down 2 degrees. And you can see nowhere in the whole country will be above or below average except for this little dot right there. But you see nowhere will be above or below average. So it's kind of saying global warming right there. But once you go to January, you're thinking different. So just wait for January. See what January looks like, and you'll be surprised. You can see it starts to get a little warmer in Florida. The cool starts to spread there in parts of Nevada. Starts to spread that cool. Not much for Christmas Day. Quite warm for North Dakota and Minnesota and South Dakota for the next couple of days. Very warm air. Very warm for Canada at this time of the year. You're probably thinking, dang, 10 degrees above average? Well, that's like saying instead of being 10 degrees, it would be 20 degrees. So you're like, oh, that's super cold. But compared to them, that's very warm. Like it can be like quite cold for them just to be 20 degrees above average. So yeah, like if they're 20 degrees above average in December, it can be like 10 degrees. It's kind of crazy. But once you go to December 29th, you see the cold starts to come around the country, and you can see really cold now for parts of Canada, up to 30 degrees below average, and it went from 10 degrees above average to literally 3 degrees below average. So that's kind of crazy. Still warm across parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, but only about 3 degrees, 4 degrees above average. This is December 31st. You can see December 31st. Oh, come on. December 31st. It starts getting really cold in Canada now, like really cold, 5 degrees below average, and that cold air starts to come south to the United States. But wait, hold on, let me go back. Since that cold air is moving south and it was really warm, and you see how the warmth starts to move south. So one day, the 27th is quite warm across the north. And then you see it starts to move in the Midwest, the plains now. Now it starts to move in Tennessee, and then see there, January 1st, it moves to the southeast. Now you can see that warm air starts to just move south because that cold air in Canada is coming. So that warm air would have to move south. So then it would be very warm from Mexico and Cuba. So yeah, that's how it's gonna work, and that's why it's gonna be very cold January. Not much December or January 3rd. Starts to get really warm parts of the Northeast. It gets quite warm January 10th for Minnesota, North Dakota again. But you're probably thinking, wait, I said it was gonna get really cold. Just wait for it. It's coming. It starts to get colder in Mexico, and then by the 18th, 19th of January, you can see it gets quite cold for the south. So, hold on, that was bad. It can get quite cold for the southern states, almost 4 degrees below average for Texas. We go to the 20th, it starts to spread the cold. Look at that. That's January 27th. It can get below average from Detroit, all the way from Detroit through much of the country, all the way to Mexico. All of this will be below average, guys. That's how just big of a difference it'll be. The coldest will be right here, where it could be maybe 5 degrees below average, Or sorry, 30 degrees below average, not 5. 5 will be the green. But quite cold. And then as it gets on, once it passed the 46 days, like if we look at it 46 days from now in a week, you can see February. That cold air will probably block this warm air and push the warm air back north, and then bring that cold air north. So much of the country would be below average, especially for February. February can be very cold. Let me go to the model. If we go to Christmas Day, let me just pass. This is Tuesday, not quite. You can see that snow there. You can see in the next 42 hours that snow starts to build in Nevada. Let me just look at that. You can see that snow starts to go in parts of Nevada all the way to Idaho. No, I believe no warnings are there still. But let's go to Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. If we go, this is December. What day is this? This is December 22nd right here. See some snow possible. So December 21st. You can see some snow parts of Detroit going to parts of Tennessee into Georgia. There could be some snow there. Let's actually go more forward. And then you can see Atlanta. Ooh, guys, look at this. Atlanta could get snow December 22nd. Wow, that will be surprising. Not surprising that they're getting snow this early. I'm saying surprising, very close to Christmas. That can be interesting, because what if it moves a 2 days back? That can be a possibility for white Christmas. But let's go to Christmas Day. See who can get a white Christmas. This is New Year's. Not New Year's. This is Christmas Eve. You can see some snow over parts of Colorado, Wyoming, scattered snowstorms to Iowa, and just north of Chicago. So that can be white Christmas. Let's actually go to Christmas Day. Ooh, am I talking a lot of snow on Christmas Day? Quite a lot of snow. You can see a big snowmaker for Idaho, Oregon, Montana. Helena can get a white Christmas. Maybe Cleveland can actually get some snow flurries. And then Cleveland can actually get some snow actually Christmas night. You can see Cleveland, Erie, Buffalo, getting Boston. Boston might get a rain mix. And then look at this, still parts of Idaho, Montana getting snow almost from Christmas Eve to Monday, Christmas night. So potential big snow maker. Forecast models, let me actually go. This is Tropical Tidbits, wonderful site. Free. Let me go to December 24th, which is This is the morning of Christmas Eve. Like I said, that snow parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Iowa, and then it'll move to parts of northern Chicago and so forth. So let me just move the model back. So you see, oh, this model actually shows a lot more snow for Chicago. It shows the snow going a lot more south than the other model. Let me see, go back to the other model. See, this is what it looked like. This is what this one showed. That's what that one shows. So, and then we go to, hold on. That's what this one shows. And then let's go to this one. Oh my god, this thing's so on. Alright, this is this one. And now let's go to that one. You see, it goes a lot more south. Super south, like parts of Springfield, I believe. I don't know. But Indianapolis can get some snow there. It shows Indianapolis getting snow. Didn't show that last time. It might even show maybe some snow for New York. Let's see if it moves more south. This is Christmas Eve night. So it shows very heavy snow for parts of Cleveland, Erie, getting the parts of snow flurries, parts of Buffalo possible. And then Buffalo shows actually a lot less snow on Christmas morning for Buffalo. But then if you go to a midday Christmas Day, look how it just intensifies. Cleveland's still getting snow. Erie's still getting snow. Boston might get a rain-snow mix. Boston's actually right on the rain-snow mix line. This shows a lot more snow here for the Northeast. So yes, there is a chance for a white Christmas. Let me go to Christmas night. This is Christmas night. It starts to leave Buffalo, leaves Erie, but it gets in the whole state of Vermont and New Hampshire are actually under snow Christmas night, and Boston will be getting rain Christmas night. So that can turn into black ice. Let me go to snowfall totals. Let me go all the way December 20th. So December 20th, you see a lot of snow up to 3 feet in parts of Washington, up to a foot here. Snow just north of New York. So yeah. But let's go to when that, maybe see that snow. And you see that snowstorm possible for the southeast. See, it stretches all the way to Detroit for just parts of Atlanta. See how it goes. Let me go back more. So you can see Atlanta. Well, this can totally change. Like this probably won't be snow for Georgia or the southeast, but this one right now currently shows just snow just north. But let's see who can get up. We can see up to 6 inches in parts of just east of Boston. Chicago can get up to 1 inch. Kentucky can have 5 inches on the ground. So yeah, quite a big snowmaker, which will go across the country. It can go coast to coast, all the way from Washington, all the way here, and even getting parts of the southeast and the Great Plains. So yeah. So guys, that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it wasn't too long. I was just trying to, do my first Christmas outlook. I totally forgot about it. I should have done it one of my first videos, but I just totally forgot. So sorry again. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button for instant notifications, and have a wonderful day and have a wonderful and a good Christmas Eve. And see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye.